Taylor Swift just granted a wish for yet another fan. She is like the fairy godmother of the music industry. Hey everyone, I'm Morgan Manusos, and this is Buzz 60. Emily Beasley, a 12-year-old girl from Chicago, has been battling cancer since 2011. Despite years of treatment, doctors recently told her family there was nothing more they could do. One thing Emily really wanted to do was to talk to the 25-year-old Grammy winner. So Emily's entourage, her friends, family, and supporters took to social media to make it happen. Swift isn't one to let down a fan and was able to reach Emily after one of her radiation treatments. Swift told Emily how much it meant to her that she liked her music, and that could not have made Emily happier. Her mother Nadia posted a thank you on Facebook after the call. I cannot thank all of you and your efforts that you are all making to reach Taylor Swift. Taylor called Emily Beasley. She just got off the phone with her. She couldn't have been nicer. Emily has a smile from ear to ear. A big smile after coming back from the doctors? That's shaking it off. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.